guys, welcome back to a new video. I know it's been a minute since I last posted one, but you know, here's a new banger I'm posting out. I don't know if you've been keeping up with the stories, but I got recently a new part for my, actually 2 new parts for my car. The new headers I got from JDL, and they sound terrific. They sound amazing, and the other one was a clutch that I installed. I'm actually heading over to hang out with some friends right now from church, and it's gonna be a fun time. I got Alejandro here waiting on me. Today's gonna be just a POV video. Hopefully you guys can hear the new headers. The exhaust sounds completely different on this car. It sounds like a new car. It drives like butter too because of the new clutch. And so I hope you guys liked today's video. Drop a like if you liked it. Leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think about the new JDL headers on the exhaust. And if you have any questions on the exhaust setup I have right now, just comment down. I'll comment or I'll put it in the description probably. But yeah, video, please drop a like, and thanks for watching. Thanks again, guys, for watching today's video. I thought I'd take the time to talk about future plans for the channel. I know this is would be my 5th video. I've been struggling with making videos and just the whole creative process, just because there's so many ideas out there and there's already so much being done on YouTube. I think I should consider making a lot of my content POVs, which I see is pretty popular for people to watch, and especially with these new headers, I think it'd be great to make some more POV videos. My car isn't definitely the loudest. It is pretty loud. It's a lot louder than it was before. I'm not on a tune yet. I'm hoping to get tuned pretty soon, but I think you can hear some pretty good pops so far with the new headers, and I've just been really happy with it. I've been driving it the past, it's almost been a week with the new headers. It'll be a week on Sunday, so tomorrow. And I'm pretty pleased with how it sounds, and it sounds so good. The car sounds completely different. There's Alejandro pulling up right there. How you like that? Bro, I was just on my phone and the cop pulled up right next to me.
Don't be on your phone.
I don't think he saw me. I was putting the address in that.
We have to put the address because they're going somewhere else.
That was a good one. Literally, I was like this. Cop pulled up right here, and he looked at me. He was like,
Actually?
Nah, he didn't do that. I'm joking. They got E85.
Yeah. Who knows how pure it is?
Let's go on E85.
Yeah, that's what I want to do for the NA setup.
Anyways, we just finished up at the escape room with the church group, and it was super fun. are rated a 8 out of 10. So right now we're headed to some pizza place over in technically Carlsbad, but it's La Costa. And we're gonna get some food. Not a bad spot, guys. Very beautiful out here. I think this came out pretty good.
Yeah?
Yeah, I think
Like the tiny little lunch?
Yeah.
I was gonna stop and launch it, but I'm like, nah, that's a little too burnt.
Yeah, I know. I think we should call it there, though. It's a nice spot, though. I wanted to see what it led to.
There's one more down there. That's another good one.
Wanna go see it?
Yeah, that way we don't have to be in the same spot all the time.
Alright. This is the tripod that I got. Not bad. It's equivalent to like 5 feet something. Bum, ba-da, bum. Hey, welcome back, guys.